Middle class ta thabak toriba miyoi singi oina yamna chauna ningsa sor hondokpa ama oina chahi amada lupa lakh taranithoi fangliba thabak toba miyoi amatana income tax thibagi mathau tadre hairi wafam asi ngasi India gi finance minister Nirmala Sitaramana union budget parliament ta puthokpa matamda lauthokhibani middle class ta thabak toriba miyoi sing asina India gi senmitlon gi pangal hapabu sakhangba oina makhoina Hana Puramba income tax Tirambagi Awaba Adu, Narendra Modi na Luchingba Lengak Asina, Sakang Laduna, Makoida income tax Tihandabagi, Kongtang Asi, Lokalikabini Haina, Nirmala Sitaraman Haiki, Masiga Luinana, Lengak Asigi Makada, Anoba Chatnagadaba, Semdok Labati Pam Tokpa income tax Ki Changsu, Lautoki, Nauna Lep Laba tax rate Singi Matung Ina, Tolop Tagi Lakpa, Senpam Adu Nataba, Normal income Oina Lupa Lakh Mari Faoba, Lakpada tax Amada Thiraroi. Lupa Lakh Maridagi, Lakh Nipan Faoba Lakh Singna Chada Manga, Lupa Lakh Nipandagi, Lakh Taranitoy Faobada Lakpana, Chada Tara, Lakh Taranitoy Dagina Tara Taruk Faobada Lakpana, Chada Tara Manga, Lakh Tara Taruk Dagina Lakun Faobada Lakpana, Chada Kun, Lakh Kun Dagina, Lakun Mari Faobana, Chada Kun Manga Amadi, Lupa Lakh Kun Marigi, Matakta Lakh Singna Income Singna Chada Kuntra Tigani Hairi, Union Finance Minister na Lorak Liba Kongtang Asibu, Chief Minister and Biren Singha Amadi, Raja Sabagi, MP, Laisemba Sana Zaubana, Taram Okre.
Personal income tax reforms with special focus on middle class. Democracy, demography, and demand are the key support pillars in our journey towards Vikasit Bharat. The middle class provides strength for India's growth. This government, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, has always believed in the admirable energy and ability of the middle class in nation building. In recognition of their contribution, we have periodically reduced their tax burden. Right after 2014, the nil tax slab was raised to 2.5 lakhs of rupees, which was further raised to 5 lakh rupees in 2019 and to 7 lakh rupees in 2023. This is reflective of our government's trust on the middle class taxpayers. I am now happy to announce that there will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees.